Dubai looks like an Instagram dream. Glass, steel, palms, yachts, sunset. The facts are different. It's a migrant-built megacity where tough anti-trafficking laws sit alongside luxury. Debts can turn into court-ordered travel bans. Police conduct large raids on massage card networks, and each summer a mandatory midday work stoppage kicks in during extreme heat. Online, lurid tales about shake parties and chocolate circulate. Here we separate virality from evidence. We also look at published UK court rulings and global press freedom rankings. Today, we stick to the facts. Megacity of migrants. Fact: the United Arab Emirates itself notes that more than 200 nationalities live and work in the country. Foreign residents make up the clear majority of the population. Why it matters? A vast migration-driven labor supply also means higher exposure to abusive recruitment when oversight of intermediaries and enforcement don't keep pace. Recruitment fees still fuel debt bondage. Authorities have prosecuted traffickers, but gaps persist in identifying victims, especially in cases of labor exploitation, not a free media environment. In the 2025 World Press Freedom Index, the UAE ranked 164th of 180. Media remain tightly controlled, and the 2021 cybercrime law is used to penalize speech. Freedom in the world. 2025. Not free. Overall 18 out of 100. Political rights 5 out of 40. Civil liberties 13/60. Freedom on the net 2024. 30 out of 100. Not free. Reports note content blocking, platform restrictions, and arrests of users. With limited press freedom, official statutes, government notices, and written court judgments carry special weight. This film relies on them. What is criminalized? Exactly. Scope: recruiting, transporting, transferring, harboring, or receiving people for the purpose of exploitation using force, threats, fraud, deception, abuse of power, or taking advantage of a person's vulnerability. Penalties: a minimum of 5 years imprisonment plus very high fines. In aggravated cases, life imprisonment. Definition: any form of sexual exploitation, including exploitation for prostitution, constitutes human trafficking. Reporting and help: the government publishes hotlines and reporting pathways, including EWAA/800-SAVE, 800-7283, as well as police and public prosecution units. If you are a victim or a witness of trafficking, call. Migrant work realities: debt on arrival. Recruitment fees remain a driver of debt bondage. Brokers charge illegitimate fees in countries of origin. After arrival, workers must work off the debt, making them more vulnerable to pressure and abuse. Authorities have pursued cases against traffickers, but gaps persist in identifying victims of forced labor. The consequence: some people suffering labor exploitation are not formally recognized as victims. Heat and safety: the midday break. Each year, the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization enforces a midday break, a ban on outdoor work from 12:30 to 1500, June 15th to September 15. Inspections continue throughout the season to ensure compliance. Violations are penalized, and employers are not allowed to retain workers' passports. Debt and travel bans: how a dispute becomes an exit block in the UAE. A court-imposed travel ban can arise not only from criminal cases, but also from civil and financial disputes. In debt or contract conflicts, courts may bar a person from leaving the country until the obligation is settled or the order is lifted. Impact: you're flagged at the border, unable to exit or take work elsewhere. Income stalls: while the debt accrues fees and interest. Some people take on new debt to repay old debt, which prolongs the travel ban and deepens the spiral. Abandoned cars. Procedure, not myth. It's not a supercar graveyard. It's a routine municipal process. Dubai municipality follows a clear sequence: notice, towing, impound, disposal/auction. In the first half of 2025, authorities issued 6,187 notices and 1,387 vehicles were towed. Vehicles left unattended are removed and sold at auction in line with municipal procedure. Massage cards and sextortion in Dubai. Numbers, raids, playbook. These aren't harmless flyers. In just 15 to 18 months, Dubai authorities seized approximately 5.9 million massage cards, detained approximately 870 to 879 people, and shut down approximately 900 phone numbers tied to the scheme. Why the hard line? Because massage cards often front illegal flats and scams. The most dangerous mechanism is sextortion, lure, a promise of a massage, quick contact, and address to a rented apartment. Record: inside, cameras' phones are waiting. Footage is captured within minutes. Threaten: pay or the video goes to your family, spouse, or boss. Extort: transfers are demanded. Amounts escalate under immediate pressure. Golden rule: don't call, don't text back, don't go to any address. Bin the card. If you see similar ads or have been targeted, report it through official Dubai police channels. Those reports and the ensuing raids are exactly what enabled authorities to shut down hundreds of numbers and make arrests. Princesses' escapes, not internet lore. These are written UK court findings and official UN statements. This segment sets out what courts put on paper, how international bodies reacted, and why the implications reach beyond one family. Shamsa, Cambridge, August 2000. After hearing evidence and witnesses, the UK family court found that the father ordered and orchestrated the unlawful abduction of Sheikha Shamsa from Cambridge to Dubai. This is recorded in the court's fact-finding judgment. Latifa, 2002 and 2018. The same body of judgments describes two escape attempts by Sheikha Latifa, first as a teenager in 2002 and again by C in 2018. The court found both attempts were intercepted and she was returned. UN reaction: proof of life. In 2021, following videos and media reports, UN human rights experts formally requested concrete information and independent verification of Latifa's situation, effectively a proof of life request. UNHCHR, Princess Haya, intimidation, and Pegasus. In a separate judgment, the court found that phones belonging to Princess Haya and members of her team were hacked with NSO Group's Pegasus spyware during the proceedings. Why it matters. These cases sit at the intersection of family law, human rights, and cybersecurity, and they rely on written judgments and official communications, not rumors. Pseudo-Nutella and porta-party stories. The internet teems with tales about private parties of Gulf elites. These claims have a life of their own, but we stick to verifiable facts. The BBC's World of Secrets, Death in Dubai, shows the gap between viral narratives and documented evidence. Here we're only flagging the topic. We'll dedicate a separate, fully sourced episode to test these stories. No sensationalism, just records, expert testimony, and on-the-record sources. Dubai looks like an Instagram dream. Today's film showed the other side: court rulings, official notices, hard numbers, and real scam mechanics. This isn't about sensationalism, it's about facts. If you want more evidence-based work, no rumors, just documents and data, subscribe now and turn on the bell. Next episode, we'll take another myth and break it down piece by piece. Like the video, comment what we should investigate next, and share it with someone who knows Dubai only from postcards. Thanks for watching. This was World in Focus. See you next time.